Yes, it's safe to exercise when you're pregnant. For the majority of women, exercising when you're pregnant is safe and it's actually recommended. There are so many benefits for you and for your bub, and there's never a bad time to start. It's important with your activity that you include a variety of movements. So things like walking, running, cycling, swimming, resistance training, yoga, Pilates, you name it. There's so many movements and activities that you can keep doing whilst you're pregnant. So the key with exercise with pregnancy is to try and avoid anything that's going to bump the bump. Anything that involves contact sport, such as football, horse riding, skiing, we want to just avoid for the time being. During pregnancy, hormonal changes mean that your core body temperature is going to rise. So for this reason, it's important that when you're exercising, you try to avoid getting too hot. And for the time being, you might want to consider just changing up some of your normal activities. If, for example, you like hot yoga, we'd recommend that you maybe look to try a prenatal yoga class, which is just done in sort of a normal studio for now. So I often get asked by pregnant women, when should I stop exercising? Truth be told, you can actually continue to exercise right up until labour if you feel comfortable and if you're happy to do so. If something doesn't feel right, if it doesn't feel comfortable, if you're concerned, stop what you're doing, give your physio or your GP a call, find out what's going on, and they can help guide you around best activities you can continue or not continue with. Come third trimester, things are starting to change. You're starting to get a little bit bigger, your center of gravity is changing, and generally sort of day-to-day tasks are getting a little bit more challenging. Take that as a time to just step back a little bit if you feel you need to. It might be a really nice opportunity to take up some lower impact exercises like Pilates, yoga, Tai Chi, swimming. They can be some really nice activities to keep you moving and keep you going right the way up to your labour. We tend to advise people to avoid doing movements like sit-ups during pregnancy, but essentially anything that's going to cause too much loading of the abdominals can lead to slightly bigger risk of developing a diastasis, and we want to kind of manage our symptoms for that as much as possible. If you have any concerns about exercise in pregnancy, feel free to give us a call at Complete. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have and get you underway with your exercise program.